In this video, you'll learn how to resolve common login issues with Envato. By following these steps, you will be able to troubleshoot and regain access to your account effectively. First, ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. It is essential to double check for any typing errors or incorrect credentials, or if you have any doubt about your password, consider resetting it. This is often the most common cause of login problems and can save time in troubleshooting. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This action removes any outdated data that may interfere with the login process. To do this, go to your browser settings and look for the options related to privacy or browsing data. Select the option to clear cache and cookies, then confirm the action. After you have cleared this data, restart your browser before attempting to log in again. This step frequently resolves technical problems that may prevent access. If the login issue persists, utilize the Forgot Password option available on the login page. Clicking this link will prompt you to enter your email address so you can receive instructions on resetting your password. After submitting, check your email for a reset link. Follow the instructions provided in that email to create a new password and regain access to your account. Should you still be unable to log in after trying the password reset, consider reaching out to Envato support for further assistance. Visit the support page and provide the necessary details for verification. This may include your email address and any relevant information about your account. Their support team will guide you through the recovery process to help you regain access. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.